Okay, before you add digital camera pictures or maybe some other images to your website, you want to make sure that you have optimized those pictures for the web. What that means is that you've basically reduced the file size so that they are web ready and they don't take a long time for your visitors to download. To do that, we're going to use a tool called Web Resizer, which you can click the link on right on your dashboard. What this does is going to reduce the file size of your pictures. So in order to grab a picture from your computer, click Browse. I've got one right here that's of Victoria Falls that I took on a mission trip. So all you're going to do is click Upload Image and wait a few seconds for your image to upload. While that's uploading, I will just kind of go through the interface with you. Oh, it's already done. So perfect. So here you see the two images side by side. They look exactly the same. The only thing that's changed is the Web Resizer system has changed this picture to 400 by 300 pixels, and it's now 51 kilobytes, as opposed to the original image, which was 1600 by 1200 pixels, and it was 601 kilobytes. Now, if you wanted to change the size and you didn't want it 400 by 300, then you would just scroll down and select a new size. Let's say I wanted it to be 800 pixels wide. So all I have to do is type in the number there, and I can also change the image quality and sharpen as well as play with tint, exposure, contrast, and color saturation. You can also add a border if you want, and add a little padding, as well as choose the color and the color of your border, and also give it an edge effect. Lots of different things you can do to your picture, but the main thing that I wanted to show you was the reducing the physical file size, and then the actual size of the file. So if you make any changes like I did with the 800 here, the new size, you want to click Apply Changes. What that's going to do is reload your picture. So now you'll see the picture is quite a bit bigger, but it's still only 168 kilobytes compared to the 601 kilobytes. I'm going to reduce this down to 600 and apply changes. You can also rotate it as well. When your picture's ready, just like you like it, you can click this link to download the image, and I'm going to save it to my computer. And now that I've saved it to my computer, I'm going to go into any page. Let's go to the Ministries page. And I'm going to go to the main content section and select an image to upload. Resize this. Choose Browse, and you'll see Victoria Falls was my original picture. You can see it's 601 kilobytes there. But what the system did was rename it to Victoria Falls _OPT for optimized. That's the file you want to select, and you can see it's 600 pixels wide. Upload it to my image manager and select it, and here you go. You can see from the appearance tab that it's 600 pixels wide by 450. You can also resize it here as you're putting it on the page, but I think that looks great. I'm going to give it a name as always and insert it, save my page, and click View Site. And let's see, I put that on my Ministries page, right? Scroll down, and there it is. Nice and optimized. You see it didn't have to load at all. It loaded very quickly, and that's what you want to do no matter what pictures or images you're putting on your website, especially if you're uploading images into a slideshow or gallery, which you can learn how to do in another screencast. If you don't optimize your images beforehand, there's a good chance you'll get an error when you're going to upload. So try to keep those images below 300K or kilobytes, and you should have no problem.